If you love all things salty and sweet, this cookie is for you. There is something so crave-worthy about this giant gourmet treat. Karli Bitner is here to share her Crave Rockstar Cookie recipes. Did I get it?
Yes.
Crave Rockstar.
Yes. So Crave Cookies is like an actual cookie shop, and they were so kind to actually give me their recipe.
What?
So this is like groundbreaking.
This is breaking news.
This is breaking news.
Yeah.
This is their recipe that they gave me to share with the world, because not everybody, they don't offer this cookie all the time.
No, just to Karli, because you're the cookie girl. And I was asking you during the commercial break, did you like cookies before you were known as the cookie person?
I did. I love all desserts, but cookies, they have a soft spot in my heart.
You published this Cookie Lover book a few months back, and women are just dying to get their hands on it because it has all the good recipes.
Yes, there's 32 different recipes in there, and the best part about it is I teach like 4 different base recipes, and then how you can add little things here, little things there to make different cookies. So out of one batch of dough, you can actually make 4 totally different cookies.
Show us how to customize.
Yes.
Yes, she does. All right, the Crave Rockstar. What do we love about it?
So it's all things salty, sweet. We've got toffee, we've got pretzels, we got chocolate, sea salt, all the good things.
There's a lot going on here.
But really, it's actually pretty simple. So to make them, we're just going to start out with some butter and sugar.
That's how all good recipes start.
All good recipes start with lots of butter and lots of sugar. And we're going to cream this together.
Okay.
Here, let's see if I can put this on backwards.
You're a professional. I know you can.
I know I can.
There it is.
So we're just going to cream this together. And then once things get creamed together, we'll add in our liquids. Do you want to do the honors of cracking this egg?
Do you want
I forgot before to crack it.
Do you want to see my... Should I try?
One-handed?
Should I try? I mean, I don't want to show off or anything, but you are the cookie queen. There you go.
Perfect.
You
Okay.
bet.
We'll add in our egg here. And vanilla.
The bad news is my 3-year-old's tried to start cracking eggs with one hand.
I
She
know.
wants eggs for breakfast, lunch, and dinner only so she can crack
the egg.
And she's trying to, you know, be like your mama and pull off the one-handed crack. It's not going well.
We need some practice.
Yeah,
sister.
we need 2 hands
some
for
practice.
sure.
Okay, so I'm just going to turn this lower. We're going to add in the dry ingredients.
Okay.
It's just all-purpose flour. Maybe.
There it goes.
Without making a mess.
No, you got to make a mess. The best recipes require a mess.
Salt. And then some soda.
Plus, this isn't your kitchen. You don't have to clean it up.
True that. True that. And then when it's about halfway done, we're going to add in all of our mix-ins here.
Toffee pretzels.
Pretzels. And then there's semi-sweet chocolate and milk chocolate.
Now that's the way to do it. Just settle the debate by putting in both.
All of the things.
Yes.
So we're just going to mix this until it's nice and combined.
Okay.
And that's it.
We feel good about that.
Is done.
Done?
Dough's done.
Dunzy.
Donezo.
Dozy
easy.
Dozy is donezo. What did we
grab
just say?
the
Yeah, I do. Save me from
cookie
myself.
scoop. There. Ooh.
Okay.
And get a nice big scoop there.
Now you're a scooper. Most cookie connoisseurs are.
Yep. Scoop, scoop. So that's like a third of a cup of dough.
Do you pack?
You can. Or you don't have to.
Okay.
You can.
All right.
And then if you want to
That's
grab.
a big cookie.
Yeah.
Is that too big?
No, this is great. This is what we want. So you can scoop another.
I will. Okay.
And now the trick to getting like the texture on top, yep, that's great,
Okay.
is we're actually going to break open the top just a smidge.
Show me.
So we're just going to open it just a little bit.
Oh, I don't even want that perfect mound.
Yeah.
I just want to.
And then take some sea salt.
Oh, please,
and
yes.
sprinkle it on top.
Always better with sea salt, right?
And these cookies will spread a little bit as they bake. And so my trick to getting perfectly round cookies is right after they come out, use this, like the back of a spoon, and you can just push the edges back into the center and make them into a circle.
Shape them just a
little.
little.
Them just a little bit.
I love this.
Yeah, and that's it. So you bake them up.
Okay.
And they
May
end
I?
up like, oh, of course.
May I? I mean, come on, it's
Of
begging.
course.
It's begging me. Oh, that's good.
They're good. They
You know
got
what?
this salty, sweet, crispy on the edge, but it's nice
Crunchy.
and gooey in the middle.
Save this for me, please.
Yep, it's yours.
All right, where can we get the book?
So you can get it on my website, cookingwithkarli.com. You can find, there's a link right there at the top there. You can find that there's a physical copy or the digital ebook copy.
Perfect.
Yep, and you can find me on all the social medias, Cooking with Karli.
She's your girl. You're
Lots of
famous
cookies.
for these copycat recipes too. This is the original recipe, but you do a lot of copycats.
Yep.
So fun to get the book. Visit her on her website and Instagram. We'll link you over. Thank you. Thank you for
course.
sharing Crave
Yeah.
Rockstar Cookies. That's what's for lunch today here on Studio 5. Thanks again, Karli.